What's going on, world? This your last video for 2009. Actually, no, it ain't. This just the beginning of the last videos of 2009. So, this nigga on the phone.
Oh, that was.
And
it's your fault, nigga. I wasn't even laughing.
She sounded just like the Dream. She said she was crying, but she sounded like the Dream and shit.
That nigga said. That nigga said, ooh, ooh, baby. She said, I said, why you crying? She said, cause I. She said, hey, hello? Hello? What you crying for? What? What? Why are you sad? Why are you sad?
You sound like she fucking,
nigga, what the fuck? She sound like she figuring that pussy. Oh my god.
I think she know better.
Hello?
She using
why you? Hey,
why
you crying though? Like, what are you sad about, man? You good? What you crying for?
Now my phone going off and shit.
Hello.
She is hella toasted, bro. She is toasted. Let me get my ass up out the camera though.
You good, man?
Free car giveaway, my ass. Broke ass niggas ain't giving away no damn car, nigga.
Yeah.
So, anyways, like I said, man.
You don't sound like you crying.
We about to get it cracking, man. Last video was 2009. We got more coming in 2010. You feel me? The countdown has officially begun, even though it's like. It's almost 8 o'clock. So, we ain't started drinking yet, but I'm gonna let y'all see what we fucking with. At the moment, I mean, we ain't got everything yet, but this is what we got so far and shit. So, here we go. Of course, nigga, that's the fridge. Where else would we keep it? Bottles, nigga. You see how we do it, man. We got bottles and shit. And for the grown and sexy, man. Pup Bravo and a glass of Moscato. Yeah, you did. We got some more coming and shit. Hold on, we got some more though. We got that goose. Goose got you loose, nigga. But go ahead and sign out real quick. Put this on and shit, you know what I'm feeling. So, you did YTV, living large in charge. You did.